of a sector, of a cycle, perimeter of a sector, and if possible, we see the perimeter of a segment. But I want us just to concentrate on perimeter of a sector. Is that okay? Now we say the length of a cycle is theta over 360 times what? Times what? Times 2 pi r. Is that okay? Now, the perimeter of a sector, for you to calculate the perimeter of a sector, you must first of all calculate the length of, you must calculate the L, the length. The word perimeter means the distance around an object. So the perimeter of a sector of a cycle is the distance around the cycle. Is that okay? I will give you a chance to write. I will give it if you, but please, we should not waste time. We should not waste time. So you can see it on the slide. You can see the sector there. You can see the distance AB, which is your length. You can see your theta there. So we have it like that. Is that okay? So let's move forward. Let's move forward. I want to stop at question. Let's move forward. Now, I want to stop by 110, sorry. Now, hence, the perimeter of a sector of his sector AOB is the sum of the two radii and the length of an arc. Can you see what I'm telling you? You can't calculate the perimeter of a sector without calculating the length of that sector. So we have learned how to calculate the length of the sector, and today is just for you to calculate the length and add 2r to it. So the perimeter of a sector is 2r plus L. Is that okay? The perimeter of a sector is 2r plus L. In some textbook, you will see D plus L. 2r is still the same thing as D. Is that okay? Your L is the length of an arc, which is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. I hope you can see my slide. You can see it on the slide. Perimeter of a sector AOB is theta over 360 times 2 pi r plus 2r. So, okay. Please, you need to know that formula. It's very, very important. If you don't want to cram so many things, you already know what your L is. Then you know that your perimeter of a sector is just D plus L, and your D is 2R. Is that okay? I will give you 2 minutes to digest that. Just know it, digest it, cram it, whatsoever you need to do, just do it and know it. The perimeter of a sector is 2R plus L. Some textbook says it is D plus L. It's still the same. Is that okay? So let's move forward. So example. Example, find the perimeter of a sector of radius 3.5 which sustain an angle of 45 and an angle of 315. So let's quickly do it. Let's quickly do it. Please, if you have not sent your mail to me, please create one, preferable Gmail, and send it to me, and you will see an invitation. Is that okay? Inviting you to join a Google class. So please be fast. Do the first one. For angle 45, find the perimeter of a sector of radius 3.5 centimeter, which sustain an angle of I 45 degrees. Now your R is 3.5. Another way to write 3.5 is 7/2. So your perimeter is D plus L, or 2R plus L. So your L is theta over 360 times 2 pi R. So let's quickly do it. Do the one of 45 and tell me the answer. Are we through? The number is appreciating small. We are up to 30 in the class today. I know we used to be more than 60 before. So please, what is the answer? Daniel, you are using dog for me. Try and on your video if possible, please. Who is Samsung Galaxy 10? Please put your name or I remove you.
So is the answer 9.75?
9.75. Let's check. I'm not sure. Okay, you are. So let's do it. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
So the length of an arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Your theta is 45, your r is 3.5, which is 7/2, and your pi is 22/7. Some textbook they will write 3 whole number 1/7, is still the same. Then the length of an arc will give you 45 over 360 times 2 times 22/7 times 3.5, and you have your length of arc to be 2.75. Is that the same with your own?
Yes, sir.
So that is the length, your L, but your perimeter is 2R plus L. Is that okay? Your
Yes,
perimeter
sir.
is 2L plus. So your 2R will be 2 times 7/2. 2 cancel.
I got 3.
You got 3. How? How is it 3? So your 2R will be 7. 7 plus 2.75 will give you 9.75, which is correct. So how did you get 3? 22 divided by 8, is it 3?
So that's what I said.
I know you are correct. Is that okay? Clap for yourself. You are correct. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to say that so that other will not copy your own. So that is the answer on the slide. 2R plus L, and we have 7 plus 2.75 centimeter. And the final answer will be 9.75 centimeter. Now you have to put that centimeter, you need to put your units. Is that okay? So let's do the second one. What is the answer to the second one? When your theta is 315 degrees. Let's quickly do it. I will give you 2 minutes for that. Please, let's be fast. We have done we know how to do L. You just add it with your 2R is still the same thing as 7. So whatsoever you get, you plus it plus 7 to get your perimeter. So in the next class, we'll be doing area. Is that okay? So we have done length, we have done perimeter of a cycle, then we'll be taking, the next class we'll be taking area of a cycle.
What's that?
At that junction, we are done with the cycle. We move to another solid shape. We are going to look at all the 9 solid shapes.
That's 26.25.
26.25.
Correct. Correct. You have to be fast.
This is correct, for I had a girl's voice. Why did
It's like the girls are faster than the boys. True or false?
True.
True or false?
False.
Okay, some people are saying false, some people are saying true.
That is true.
It's false.
You can testify.
So that's because she copied the note.
I don't copy notes from where?
No problem. If your camera is faulty, there's no problem. Oh, are we through?
Yes, sir.
So another example. Let's quickly do it. Perimeter of a segment. There is a difference between a sector and a segment. True or false?
True.
So, and I've explained to you the difference between a sector and a segment. I told you that. Who will tell me the difference? The difference between a sector and a segment.
So a sector is a part of or a fraction of a circle that is bounded by an arc and 2 radii.
Please do it on your own. Don't check the notes. I know some of you have downloaded the notes before. Just try and do it.
What's to read?
Okay, 4 centimeters.
So when you are calculating the perimeter of a segment, you must consider the triangle. So it means so it will give you 2R sine theta over 2. Is that okay? The Is that correct? Is it correct? Somebody may ask, how
Yes,
did
sir.
we get, how did,
Yes, sir, it's correct.
So your length of an arc would be 120 over 360 times 2 times 4
Times 2
times
times
22
4.
over 7. Somebody may be asking, how did we get 2r sine theta over 2? I will take my time to explain the formula. Is that okay? But just know the formula first, then know how to use it. Know the formula, is there in your textbook. Know the formula and know how to use it. Then the length of an arc will give you 8.38 centimeter to 2 decimal places. Now, when you add the two together, what do you have?
$15.30.
I can't hear you.
15.30.
Correct. What?
3.
3.
0.3.
So we have actually so we have come to the end of the class. I want to evaluate you. Is that okay? I told you we're stopping 10 minutes after 1. Is that okay? So I'm going to give you evaluation. I want you to quickly do it and tell me the answer. So please quickly do it. Calculate the perimeter of a minor segment of a cycle of radius 40 centimeter, where the sector angle is 60 degrees. Take pi to be 22 over 7. Number 2, the perimeter of a sector is 61.43 centimeter. If the angle sustained by the sector so let's quickly do it. I want to know the answer so that we compare our answers.
Find the radius. So
The perimeter of a sector is, remember, that number 2 is talking about sector, not a segment.
Yes, sir.
So perimeter of a sector is 61.43 centimeter. If the angle sustained by the sector at the center is 120, find the radius of the sector. Are we through?
yes, sir.
So what is the answer?
70.2.
Somebody is getting 70.2. 70?
0.2 centimeter.
70?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes. 70 plus 0.2.
That is the radius.
So that is for the first question.
No, I'm not telling you for the first question. Let's do the second question. I said the first question should be assignment. It's an assignment.
29.32.
It's an assignment.
20. The second one is the second one is 29.32.
Is what? I can't hear you.
29.32 centimeters.
So please try and do it and send it to me. Is that okay? Please, for those people that are just coming.
Sir, please, I'm not seeing your slide.
You are not seeing my slide? How many of you are not seeing the slide? How many people are not seeing the slide?
I'm seeing it, man. Thank you.
Ulebe, you are not seeing the slide?
Yes, sir.
I'm not seeing the slide.
Are you seeing it now?
Class.
Are you seeing it now?
You have made him start sharing screen.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Some
So
people
we
in class.
maybe 4 more minutes.
Who came to class today?
I will not give you any assignment again. This is the only assignment you have. Please take your time, do it, and send it to me. But tell me the answer to the second one. The perimeter of a sector is 61.43 centimeters. If the angle sustained by the sector at the center is 120 degrees, find the radius of the sector. So tell me the answer to that one and we'll call it a day.
So I said
5.4.
Somebody is getting, is it 5.4? What's the answer?
we might make a play.
So please, is there any question? We are going to be stopping here. Is there any question?
No, sir. No, sir.
So what is the answer?
No.